me to do this egg hunt.
Yeah, Disneyland Resort has the Extravaganza 2024. The cast member told us they had one for each park. They have one for DCA, one for Disneyland, and one for Downtown Disney. She decided to do the Disneyland one.
I kind of wanted to do the other one, like the Disneyland Resort one. Anyway, I chose the Disneyland because I wanted to go all day.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. The Disneyland band is proud to invite you to gather in Town Square.
Okay, our first stop is looking in the Emporium. We're not having any luck yet.
You can't find even one.
I know. We might have to come back to this one when we know which one we're looking for. That's not Chip, that's Dale.
I was like, damn!
Oh my goodness, there he
I
is.
can't even get the sticker on.
Would you like some assistance?
Yes.
Yeah, close enough. Good job. Okay, so in this area, there's still the Disney Showcase, which is across the street, and the Baby Care Center, which is down there.
Down where?
Okay, we're meandering over to the Baby Care Station. Baby Care Center, I guess. I see it. Do you see it? Do you see it?
Yep.
Okay. So where should we go to next? Should we go to Tomorrowland Landing? That was probably the closest.
Let's go to It's a Small World.
All right, we're gonna go into Tomorrowland to hopefully find two more. Can I see it? We're hopefully going to find our Tomorrow Landing and our Little Green Men's Store Command.
Where's Tomorrow?
Little Green Men Store Command is the exit through the gift shop of Buzz Lightyear.
It doesn't really say where it is.
No, it just says it's in here somewhere. All you know is it's around this store somewhere.
How do you know?
Because it says on your map, silly goose. All right, let's see if we can find it. Did you see it?
Yep. Just it. How is it mini?
I don't know. No, next one. The Little Green Men's Store. There you go, man. There you go.
Perfect.
All right, let's go over to Tomorrow Landing. Okay. Tomorrow Landing is like here.
Funny, right? Because we're going to Tomorrow.
Hilarious.
I wonder what's called Miles to Tomorrow.
All right, keep your eyes peeled. See if we can find it.
Where's Tomorrowland? I don't
Okay,
see it.
I found it. So this area is called Tomorrow Landing.
Where do you find it?
Well, look up. Did you find him?
Yeah. How did you find him so fast?
I don't know. I think because he's different colors. There he is.
Yeah, he just kind of has different people. But do you do the honors?
I sure would. So he's right above the pin trading store.
I wonder why they. Oh, I know why they did that now.
Awesome. Okay, let's go this way then.
I know why they did that now.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm. Because those two are in love.
Oh, and they're right next to each other in Tomorrowland.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, isn't that clever? All right, let's walk behind here to It's a Small World. I found it.
Where is it? It's Tinkerbell.
You see her? That one was hard. There she is. That was hard.
Small world.
All right, let's go into Fantasyland. Let's do the Mad Hatter, and then we can do the Pinocchio one. Let's go.
Pinocchio's what?
Okay, thankfully it's not that far to the Mad Hatter.
Is it over here?
It's over to the right. This is the gift shop, like behind Alice and behind the Mad Tea Party. I know, it got kind of busy, huh?
Yeah.
Holding my hand is a great idea. But it's right here behind Mr. Toad, too. All right, let's keep our eyes peeled. There's the Mad Hatters. Should we look outside first? Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's a white rabbit. I was wrong.
Well, that was pretty clever. It's the White Rabbit.
I was so wrong.
There we go.
I was wrong.
All right, let's put them on. You guess Mr. Toad?
Yeah, I guess Mr. Toad because we're like, it's like behind Mr. Toad.
All right, and then we're gonna go right across over here to Pinocchio's. What is it, the official thing says? It says, oh, Pinocchio's Daring Journey. So actually to the right. Here, I'll give you back the map. All right, let's walk. I can already see the egg from here. Can you see the egg? Can you see the egg? No? There you go. This one's Mr. Toad.
It was hard because of the sun.
Yeah.
I blame the sun.
You blame the sun?
Get me a Mr. Toaster. Right here?
Yep.
Now we just
Awesome.
have to
Okay.
find-
Now this one is in New Orleans Square. That one's that restaurant over there. This one and this one are close together, so we should probably go this way and then down to this way, because those ones are in like Frontier. Okay. Alrighty. Thanks, Pinocchio.
Thanks.
Here's Tiana.
Why do you think it's the
Aww.
There is him. I saw it already too.
I know. Okay, we're trying to do the shop here in Fantasyland, the Westward Ho Trading. Yeah, Westward Ho Trading Company. I don't even know what the names are to any of these stores. And I call myself a Disneyland expert. There he is. There's Pluto at the Westward Ho Trading Co.
Here, right here.
Which one says it? Yeah. All right, the Golden Horseshoe is a restaurant right up here, and the Riverbell Terrace is also a restaurant just right up here. Let's go over there and see them, okay? Okay. Golden Horseshoe is just right here. Come on, baby. Come on, duckling. Here, let's let these ladies pass us. Okay. That's the Golden Horseshoe right there. See it? The Golden Horseshoe.
Nobody horse.
Hey. A lot of them have been outside. Look up and around. Oh, no, that's not it. The flower. Watch where you're walking. I don't know. Okay, I'm tripping over you. You found it! Which one is it? It's Goofy! Good job. All right, let's go to the Riverbell Terrace. It smells good. It smells like popcorn over here.
We only have 3 more left.
Woohoo!
We're not really far.
No, we're not. We're doing pretty good, aren't we? This is not taking us long at all, thankfully. That Emporium one was the hardest one. That's only because we were looking inside. But now we know.
Turned out to be.
We'll give you some hits. Look outside.
What?
None of these have been inside, have they? They've all been outside. Okay, this is the Riverbell Terrace, this restaurant right here. So let's look.
I'm going to guess.
Oh, I already see it.
Yeah, me too. It's Donald.
It's Donald. There's
Oh,
Donald.
give me duck.
Okay, let's put him on.
Okay, right here?
Yes, ma'am. All right, and this one, that is in New Orleans Square. Okay?
Let's go to New Orleans.
Alrighty. I don't know if you can see him very well. Let me see if I can zoom in on Donald.
I can see him.
There's the man. Alrighty, we're gonna go over to Tiana's mom's dress shop. And honestly, I never go back in here, so I can't remember if it's this way or the other way. So we'll just walk around. I know.
I love the smell of
perfume shop.
water.
I do too. Yes. You can just smell pirates. Who? Oh my goodness! You found it already.
I heard. Okay, so
Lily Bell's
now
fun.
I know this one is gonna be chips.
There she is. Ta-da!
Oh, it's just like that. It's just like that.
Oh, you're right. Daisy's right next to Donald.
And besides, they're in love. And besides, and they're in, well, this place too.
Yeah. And just like that, we're back on Main Street. And the parade's about to start, so it's a little crazy for people. Because everybody has to walk on the sidewalk. Basically walked all around Disneyland. Thankfully we didn't have to walk all the way in the back like into Batu, the Star Wars land. Or around behind Big Thunder. That was nice. They knew. Right. Okay, we're coming up on Disney Showcase. I bet it's probably gonna be right here on the outside somewhere, baby. So make sure we look up, okay? Okay. Let's go. There's Disney Showcase. Do we see anything? Look up. There's the Disney Showcase. What do you see?
Chip.
You found him. There's little Chip.
Why couldn't we just put the chip sticker on, even though we know it's him?
Well, that'd be cheating. Last one. Awesome. Okay, and according to the cast member at the Emporium where we bought it, this is where you have to go to redeem it when you're all done with the scavenger hunt.
And he was like, that's not a thing as well.
I don't know. We've actually have never seen them.
One with the
Oh.
6 characters. So we have.
So they are just like the pins, but they're in these medallions instead. Oh my goodness, how pretty. You'll take Judy? Really? Judy Hobbs, huh?
I don't like her.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
It's even cuter in person.
Oh my goodness. You chose Judy. How cute.
And she's my medallion, so you can have her.
No, it's all yours.
I can't hold both.
All right, well, thanks for doing the Extravaganza 2024 at Disneyland Park. It did take us a little bit. We had to ask for clues on 2 of them because the Tinkerbell one was really hard. And we weren't really realizing that all of them were outside. So if you watch this, you know where they are. But if not, they're all outside.
But
do you
okay,
think?
so like we had to do one on Chip and Chip and Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
Because we did not know that they were all outside. So like we looked inside at the Small World Mall and outside and it's the Small World toy shop and it was not there, so we had to like look at the pizza of it.
Yeah.
Like the strip of the Small World place.
Yeah. All right. Well, let us know if you would have also chosen Judy as your prize.
Because
Or which one you would have picked.
well, Judy is really cute.
Yes, really cute. All right. Until next time. Bye. Have a good day.
Where should I keep my medallion?
The
Bye.
problems of a 7-year-old. Bye.
Bye.